Today is the new moon in Cancer, and it seemed pretty important to me to share a little ritual or practice I do on the new moon, which holds over until the full moon. This is a little casserole bowl that my friend Dorothy had given me, and I put water into this, and into this I place crystals, and I choose different ones depending on how I'm feeling at any given time. So based on some of the things that are going on out in the planet right now, I am putting in some rose quartz hearts, some adventurine hearts, and an angelite stone. And then I'm going to put some water in here, and I'll show you what I do next. I chose the adventurine because it brings prosperity, diffuses negative emotions, and brings calmness. I chose the angelite because it is for spiritual awareness, promoting communication, dispelling fear, anger, anxiety, which there seems to be plenty of on the planet right now. And of course the rose quartz for unconditional love and promoting peace and harmony and restoring trust. I will just go ahead and place the lid on this, and I will offer up prayers every day. I'll just keep this closed, but I just come out and it's just in a little sheltered spot in the yard, and I just offer up my gratitude for my life and for the lives of the people I love. And when the full moon comes, I will pour this liquid into the creek, because the creek connects to a river, which connects to another river, which connects to the Mississippi River, which connects to the Gulf, which connects to the Atlantic, which connects to the other oceans around our beautiful planet, encircling it. So it's offering that I put together for these energies to go out and encircle the world, that all people might know of prosperity, that all people might have spiritual awareness and know what unconditional love is, and feel a sense of trust and harmony, and that there would be peace and calm in the lives of humans, and expand out into the other kingdoms on this planet, so that we're creating an energy which is promoting life and love. If you do not have a creek or a stream and you choose to do this little practice, you could also place the water, the bowl, pour it out on the ground, and know that it will soak in and also evaporate, and that the clouds will take the moisture up and take it to wherever it needs to go in the form of rain or mist or snow. It seemed really important for me to share this with you all today at this time of the new moon. Here is some of the Prunella vulgaris, also known as heel-all, just starting to bloom out here. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then.